start recording. Okay, so I am going to be showing you how to be ninja. Okay, so I'm actually going to be showing you how to get the iRecord app from EMU for iOS. So first, you go hit Safari, and then on Safari, you search EMU for iOS.net, and then hit go, and it will load like that. And then once it loads, you see this, you hit install, and then you click install. Once you click install, then what you may do is go back and go into this, hit iRec Beta, click install, then click install again, and then it will install. And yeah, you can record apps and stuff, like you can record your screen like right here and show off your games and stuff. So it's pretty cool. If it doesn't work, just post in the comments why, and if it doesn't work, then I'll try and figure something out. So yeah, bye bye.